Look here, you. You need to vamoose like pronto. Go, shoo, scat, shoo. Ouch! Uh-oh, that ain't good. Thanks for the transfusion, Uncle Grandpa. No problem, Uncle Grandpa. As for you, Mr. Flea, it's time to take off the kid gloves and put on my flea-fighting chimp gloves. Oh, no, you don't. Come here. I hate to do this, but I'm afraid you leave me no choice. Hasta la flea stuff, baby.
Dude, that's awesome! Oh, let me try. Oh, yeah, son. That's what I'm talking about. You better flee, Fleas, because I'm about to wreck you. They must think my pizza sauce is blood.
Hurry up, Pizza Steve.
Help me, Uncle G. I don't want to be flea food.
There you go. Holy McGillicuddy. That sure is a lot of fleas.
So, what's the plan, Uncle G? You gonna give him a taste of the old laser hammer?
Nah, I think for this job, I'll use my laser zebra. Eat nasal laser, you little monsters!
Oh, my!
Everybody run! Look at him scatter.
Let's get him, Mr. Gus!